Okay, so let's look at conversation, leisure activities. So, chance to practice English. So, hello, do you want to play tennis with me? With me. Tennis. A game of tennis. A sport. Do you want to play tennis with me? Maybe. 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 But I'm not very good. I'm not good at tennis. Tennis, a game of sport. Tennis. But I'm not good at it. No. Not good. At it. It being tennis. You could say, I'm not good. Or, I'm not good at it. It. Tennis. That is okay. That is okay. Okay. I can teach you. I can teach you. Teach. Teach you. What else do you like to do? What else do you like to do? If you don't like tennis, no thank you tennis, then what do you like to do? What do you like to do? I like to learn. I like to travel. I like to dance. And beyond. I like to socialise, meet new people, socialise. I like shopping. Shopping. And going to the cinema. I like shopping. Shopping, buying new things, new clothes, new suspenders, new shirts, new glasses. What else? New pens? Shopping. And going to the cinema, the big screen, watching a film. A film. A film. How cool is that? Well, if you beat me, if you can beat me at tennis, if you can win at tennis, we can go to the cinema afterwards. Afterwards. We can go to the cinema afterwards. Play tennis now, cinema later. If you can win, if you can beat me, if I lose. Well, if you can beat me at tennis, we can go to the cinema afterwards. Things happen later. I've got this video to record, and afterwards I have another video to record, and afterwards I got things to read. Afterwards I have things to write. Afterwards, eat. Afterwards, write. Afterwards, learn. What you're doing next. 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 This and that and that and that and that and that. Afterwards. Next. How cool is that? Sounds fun. Sounds fun. Sounds fun. Sounds great. Sounds great. Sounds great. Could be fun. How cool is that? How cool is that? Sounds fun. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's change that. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah. So, hello, do you want to play tennis with me? Maybe, but I'm not very good at it. That is okay. I can teach you. Teach you. What else do you like to do? What else do you like to do? What else do you like to do? I like shopping and going to the cinema. Shopping, cinema. Shopping, cinema. Well, if you can beat me at tennis, we can go to the cinema afterwards. If you can beat me, we can go to the cinema afterwards. Sounds fun. Sounds fun. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.